Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny and this is Creating Crafts with Jenny. And I just wanted to pop in here and do a couple of intros to my paint by number and diamond painting this week. And I also took a little trip to Michael's, and so I want to show you what I got. And I will be doing a demo on these too. I got this is their Christmas edition. Which is interesting because the Michael's that I went to, the shelves were pretty bare, which is, I don't know, I think they were just gearing up for the next holiday, Christmas, Thanksgiving, that sort of thing. But I did get this, and I will break this open and give it a try. It comes with some multi-placers, and oh, it even has a two-placer. Those are nice too. That can move you around, move you along also. It also has an angled placer also. I did order some from Temu and I will demonstrate them when they get here, and then it has 2 pins. And it's got some wax in there too, I believe. And I bought some more of the wax, so I'm interested to see if it really does smell. It says scratch the scent. I don't smell anything. Anyway, or scented, it didn't say scratch the scent. So there's a bunch of wax in there, so I'm anxious to see if that's any good. I did buy some Christmas ornaments. It's a package that looks like this. I will go ahead and open it real quick for you. You can kind of see what it looks like. It comes with instructions, which is good. It comes with a tool, some baggies for your diamonds, and here's the diamonds. And it looks like there's, I don't know, 6 ornaments. And it's on both sides, which that'll look cute. Oh no, they're not two-sided. They're like, you put them together somehow. And they are, I don't know what they say they are. Oh yeah, so they're multi-sided. So yeah, so you put them together like so once you get them all decorated. So I will do that on camera also. And then it's got the drills. These are round, and then it's got some really sparkly diamond shaped ones. So there's some rhinestone type things in here also. So I'll do that on camera. So like I said, these shouldn't take, I would say, probably an afternoon or 2 to do these. They shouldn't take very long at all. So yeah, like I said, it's got a little boat or tray thing. It's got a pin and a squishy with the pin, which is nice, and some wax. And the wax looks like it's kind of nice. It's the little, I like these because they don't dry out and stuff. But yeah. All right. So there you have it. So I just wanted to do that and share that with you. So yeah, I will definitely do these and film them before Christmas gets here. So probably in the next month or so I'll get started on these. I have this, and I got that Christmas train that I wanted to do. I was thinking it was still in here, but I think I've already put it up. So we'll do a holiday get together, that sort of thing. We'll do these. But I probably use the pins before the holiday get together that we'll have together on camera. Okay, so let's break into this bad baby. Now look at it. Look at that. Alright. Okay, so the tools, it's green and red, and looks like I have some. Oh, it does smell good. It smells like peppermint. Okay, so it's just a cover. We will dig into that here in a minute. Alright, so let's do the 2-placer. So you just screw those in here. Like so. Yeah, look at that. It's nice. Alright, let's do another one. Do just about a 3-placer maybe. Yeah. And just screw them in here. Okay. I like that. Clean it off a little bit. Let's see here. I think I cleaned it off too well. Okay. And the green one. Let's see. Let's do. This one. It's like a 4 or 5-placer maybe. I'm not putting them in super tight just in case I want to put others in there. Clean it off a little bit. Okay. And I'll put the straightener in here. See if the straightener is better than my plastic one. So again, just screw them in here. Okay. Alright. That one doesn't need any wax. So let's... Alright, so we've got shoes down here. Alright, so let's try to the 2-placer. Alright, let's have glasses on so I can see. Alright, so let's pick up 2. And we'll put them right there. That looks nice. Choke it. Ah, very nice. Okay, let's try this one. Three-placer. It always helps if you put them down straight, but it does straighten them. Okay. Alright, let's see if we can do some more here. Oh, very nice. Let's see why this would speed things up a little bit. And it helps if I put them down correctly too, but I'll put some of that nice wax on my single placer here. Alright, let's see how it is here. Here we go. I think I like the wax. Wish the wax always starts out good. Oh, I lost my wax. Okay. Okay, and I lost my wax again. I think the chalk is still in the, or not the chalk, my, when I was doing the crayon, I think it's, okay, try this big guy here. Yeah, I didn't pick this up very good. Okay, try this again. Looks good. Let's see. Okay. I have never tried one of these angled ones, so let's try that and see what that's like. It's not quite fitting into this, my tool. Let me get some wax in here. Okay. So I used a little bit of washi tape to see if I could get it to fit. Let's see. It might not work at all. Let's see here. Oh, it's nice. Especially for filming, because you guys can see where I'm going. I ordered a bunch of angled ones from Timu. I think I did. I have to look at my order. I think it's loose. Some more tape on it. Okay. Yeah, it works. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that footage of me demoing these. So, yeah. Alright, so I'm going to get off here and spend some time with the family. And what do I always tell you guys? Go out there. Be absolutely awesome. Do your thing, and I will see you in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.